Yes, we are making creamy corn soup. I love new soup recipes in winter because that's how I get heaps of veggies into my kids. And we're gonna start straight away. I did turn on the fire, yes. Can you put the butter in? So we're gonna use a non-dairy butter because we are gonna fry off the leeks in it, which is, oh, it's gonna taste delicious and smell delicious. So we're gonna melt it. Can you stir it in there until it's all melted? Oh yeah, that's good. Good work. You know, when I was younger, I remember they used to use lard to actually fry things in. And now I was like, well, I don't like frying things in general.
This is how I make pancakes.
Oh, yeah, close. I think that's melted enough. Okay, are you ready? We'll put the leek in. You're gonna put the leek in. You're gonna do everything. You're gonna stir and put the leek in. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna put it on a high heat now, a bit higher. So I've turned up the heat because we wanna fry the leek until it's soft. Once it's soft, then we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. First the garlic and then everything else. So I put the garlic in and I don't want to burn the garlic, so just for a little bit, and then I stir it around. I'm gonna lower the heat and now we're gonna put everything else in there. So we'll throw the corn in.
No.
Okay, you can do that for me. Mix it around. Some potatoes. Hey, can you stir it through for me? And all you need now is some vegetable broth. Any vegetable broth will do.
No.
And fill it up with vegetable broth.
Yes.
And we are going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt to get some flavour. Now we are going to cook that and simmer it on a low heat, low to medium heat. Make sure you stir it every so often for about 20 minutes and we'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're back and the soup has been simmering. As you can see here, it's been simmering for about 20 minutes. And if you cut the veggies, like if you cut the potatoes small enough, it'll actually simmer quicker. It'll finish quicker because the potatoes will be ready. And all you have to do now is add a little bit of, I'm going to use coconut cream. I just put a touch of coconut cream in it. And then I let it simmer for about 1 minute afterwards, so mix it through. This is going to help make it creamy. Just cook for about a minute with the coconut cream in it. Now, it depends on how much cream you like in it. If you want to put extra cream, you can. This is going to be very creamy even without the coconut cream, but it just adds a bit of flavour and creaminess. Okay, and now we don't have Moses here because last time we used this thing, I don't know if you remember with the last soup we made, it just started splattering everywhere and I thought, you know, that's a hazard for my boy, so he's out of this shot. But I'm going to turn the heat off now because it's ready. I'm going to put this on there. You can watch me make a disaster for a little bit, but then we're going to have to edit that rest out because, yes, I don't know what's going to happen. So let's start. So I'm going to put that aside. Actually, I might take that off because that's a bit dangerous. Put that in there. And I'm going to taste this deliciousness. Oh, okay, it's hot, okay? That is so, so good. I love corn. You guys have to try this soup. It is the perfect weather for it. I'm going to put some in this bowl. Okay, I think that's good. You can see that soup there. I'm going to put some fresh thyme in there and I will find the chilli and add that, not to the children's one, of course, but with some nice fresh bread, you have yourself a delicious creamy corn soup. If you want some more recipes, please go follow us on Facebook, Mums at the Table, or you can follow us on YouTube, Mums at the Table as well, Cooking with Gia and Moses and Olive. These are one of the recipes from there, but you've got lots and lots of recipes. See you next time with some more fun recipes.